I think God was somewhere else when the typhoon hit. Puro patay na asdalan. Hantod karon. Mga tao, wala elektrisidad, way pagkaon, way tubig, ang tanang patay na asdalan, ang mga tao gatanaw na sa langit. I really do not know. The president had been there. Marroas was there. I would suggest that any suggestion lang, baka abot doon na I do not mean to a state of calamity is not enough. There has to be a state of emergency because there is no local government functioning. Yung inaasahan nila na police, army, pati mga social workers, taga-gobyerno, lahat sila biktima, lahat sila may patay. Pati police, pati army doon patay. So there is no city government functioning. Hindi naman ako nag-ano, pero as a Filipino, I have to say something. Ang mga patay na sa dalan, as I said, I do not mean to be, God must have been somewhere else. Or he forgot that there is a planet called Earth. Hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout in anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there. Maraming mga taga-Davao na nagbibigay ng pangalan to check. Walang barangay doon, walang gumagalaw. Ang mga tao parang zumbis naglalakad sa daan humingi ng pagkain. Anak ka na. Sorry ko itong buhay na to. Pulis na nga to, uniforme, patay. But pasabot, ang tanang tao nga to, di makabuhat sa ilang trabaho, kay biktima silang tanan. Kasi you have to, Kapitol, you have to help. Wa sila kibaw eh. Sila mismong silingan, wa sila nangamatay ng Pilipino, di atuan ninyo. Kasi pagkaon na lang. Alam mo, naawa ako sa kanila, even if they wanted to retreat and seek shelter, take off sa helicopter, ang Tacloban is a plateau. Patag ayo ang bukid. It's about mga 50 kilometers mudagan sila. Wa sila kadaganan. Anak plat yun ba? So, wala gid sila yung mga tuwan. Ang katong akong gipada, tong the other night, you were arrived Tacloban just this afternoon because they had to negotiate their way and may na sila, nagdaman sila dan. Atong 911 kompleto na i-cutter. So ikat nila hinay-hinay, nag-abot sila. I think we are the first, but I'm not saying that we are the only one who was helping. Katotong tuang to, it's only good for about 3 to 4 days. Mubag down to. Mubag down to tungkol sa pagkaon, ang ilang kasilyas, asas po sila, human beings. They have the needs. Walay klarong pagkaon nga to, walay klarong kasilyas o asa. I expect nga on the 3rd or 4th day mo reklamo na to. So ang akong gusto, ang mga to nga to, I'm not trying to be funny, guys. Kanang mo handle og patay. Mo-handle og patay. Kadaghan nga to. Apparently, no one is ready to just pick up. God, they are decaying. You must remember Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So tama gitong akong decision. Friday, Saturday, pagtanaw na ko, Stevie, ingnan tamong, I told the Davaoenos city residents, we have to help. Maski na paano, kasi kalit, we have to help.
Mayor, just like Tacloban, there are a lot of residents in Davao City na napot sa coastline. Kung sa'yo mong i-advise sila kung simba ko mo abot yun.
Dili, kung naatay warning, then, and then I would make this, kung naay warning, then there is no reason why nganong di mo makwet. Ay, kung na ako'y mga 3 days, guyuron tayo ka.
Mayor, what will be the